So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are reviewing another custom ROM. Now I know I haven't reviewed a custom ROM like in ages on this channel. I've been exploring some different stuff as well, like with the Samsung Galaxy A52s. That video did really well. So yeah, I'm planning to bring more content like this in the future, but for now let's explore this. So this is something OS. Now this device is not my primary device. The device I'm recording this video with is my primary device, that is the Samsung Galaxy A52s. But sometimes when I have to test a custom ROM or anything like that, then I don't hesitate to pop my sim right into it, and I use it like a daily driver. So that's exactly what I did with this ROM as well, and let me tell you, this ROM did not disappoint. Now starting from the start, let's discuss about the battery backup of this ROM. Now when I popped my sim into it, I wasn't expecting much, but let me tell you, the battery backup of this ROM is phenomenal. Now I wasn't really expecting much, but it really lasted me more than a day, provided I'm not much of a heavy user and I don't like to game on mobile that much. I do play a casual game. I'm not much of a serious mobile gamer like Call of Duty and PUBG Mobile, Asphalt and anything like that, but I do play casually, and I played some rounds of Alto's Odyssey on it, and they played pretty well. And even after a while of gaming, this ROM lasted quite well throughout the day, giving me about 6 to 7 hours of screen on time easily. Now let's discuss about the customization of this ROM, and the customization comes in that something OS tab. And let me tell you, if you are coming into this ROM expecting a lot of customizations, something like Cherish OS or Evolution X, then you are about to be disappointed. But it's not like there are no customizations. There is a lack of customization. What I mean is that there are customization, but there are not that much customization like something like Evolution X or Cherish OS or other ROMs like those that provide extensive customizations. So you can spoof play integrity and all that stuff, like you can update your play integrity certification, then you can spoof your device, you can change your interface, you can also apply custom boot animation. But the major part of this customization is actually hidden within the launcher. Now this ROM comes with the launcher and not the default launcher 3 or pixel launcher or anything like that. And in my opinion, that's a great move. Like launcher is one of the best Android launchers out there. In the launcher settings, you can customize pretty much anything from colors, icon packs and all that stuff, and you are not just limited to the like default launcher customizations that you get if you install launcher like a third-party application. Now you get multiple options, like this is the stock launcher of this ROM, right? So this provides an extensive feature set that you do not get in the like stock launcher that might be installed as a third-party app. Now so one of the interesting features I really liked about this ROM is the drawer search. You can enable every single thing in the search bar. So if you search for anything, like let's say you are searching for a contact, right? You want to call somebody, so if you search for a contact, you can search it directly from your home screen, kind of like spotlight search on iPhone. That's kind of like that, and you can directly make a call right from there. It will drop you into the dialer, and then you can place the call. I won't really go into the details of this launcher because then this video will be like 20-30 minutes long, and I don't want that. If you want to explore this, then you can definitely install this ROM on your Redmi Note 10 Pro and Pro Max and enjoy it on your own. Talking about the Play Store certification, now the device is certified. I have used banking apps like GPay, PhonePe, Paytm and stuff, and they all work flawlessly. I even used my Geo app, which in general does not work on rooted devices, but this device is not rooted, just a custom ROM. Now Google Photos stuff and Google Photos and all that stuff is also working fine. You get unlimited Google Photos uploads as well. There are no issues with that as well. Now in terms of performance, the ROM scored like 3,43,000, which is not something you might want to boast about, but benchmarks are benchmarks. What is the real world performance? And let me tell you, real world performance is very smooth. Now there are no lags, no jitters, no stutters. App opening animations are smooth, app closing animations are smooth. There are no stutters, no jitters. You can start scrolling as soon as you launch into an application. You don't have to wait for it to load and all that stuff, and there are no lags, no stutters, no jitters. And talking about the gaming performance, like I said, I don't play much heavy games on the phone, and one or two casual sessions of Altos Odyssey are just fine for me, and that's what I did on this ROM as well. And the ROM one thing I did notice was that Altos Odyssey is capable of giving like more than 60 FPS, and this device is also capable of pushing more than 60 FPS. But for some reason in Altos Odyssey, I was not getting more than 60 FPS. Like it was stuck on 60 FPS. No, the gameplay was decent, like it was definitely playable, but yeah, that is something you should know about. But there is an option to spoof like a higher end flagship for 90 fps in PUBG and BGMI and all that stuff. Now talking about the camera application, you get this kind of MIUI camera application which is decently fine, like it clicks decent pictures. And talking about the videos, the video that you saw in the beginning, like all that tea making and stuff, that was shot using this ROM with this camera, so you might get an idea about the camera quality and all that stuff, video quality and picture quality and all that stuff. So yeah, camera is working fine, all the lenses are working decently fine, there are no issues with any of that. Now in terms of audio, there is no Dolby Atmos in this ROM, but it does come with this James DSP. Now this is some kind of alternative of Viper for Android, and in my opinion it's pretty good. Like if you know what you're doing, then you can have a really good experience with this. You can really tweak the sounds and all that. Now it is some kind of a fork and is inspired from like Viper for Android. Now this is something I have seen in the Linux distributions, like on this system right behind me I have Ubuntu installed, and there is a James DSP on that. So yeah, I recognize that name from there. So and it works decently fine. Like if you want a demo, I can give you a demo. Now this is 50% volume. And that was 100% volume, so you can definitely tweak the loudness. I have tweaked it to a point where there is no audio tearing at higher volumes. Like if you just max out all the things, then you will hear tearing at all at the higher volume levels. So yeah, I have tweaked it so that it's loud enough, but there is no tearing on in the speaker and the audio. So yeah, there's that. So what is my conclusion now? This is actually unofficial ROM. Like, it is said that there are bugs in it, but I honestly did not find any, and it did not feel like an unofficial ROM. This felt like a complete official ROM. It is incredibly smooth, and I didn't really find any issues with this ROM, like the daily driving capacity and some of the additional features like this universal search, which I really loved. And the camera is also fine. The audio is also loud enough for me, and plus there are some extra features like spoofing your device like a Pixel device for some extra Pixel exclusive features, and Pixel photos as well in Google Photos. So yeah, you can use unlimited photo backup feature. So yeah, in my opinion, you should definitely try this ROM. It has everything that you might need, including an amazing launcher. So yeah, there's that. And on that note, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.